Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain iPlum app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with the breakdown and the analysis about iPlum. iPlum app gives user a second number for calling, texting and voicemail with advanced features like call recording, auto attachment and secure messaging. It's designed for professionals, especially in healthcare or businesses with HIPAA compliant communication and support for international number. You can use it over Wi-Fi, data, or your cellular plan, and it works across mobile, desktop device. iPlum also lets you manage multiple number from one account, make it a flexible tool for client communication or work-life separation. On the downside, some users report occasional issues like missed messages, delayed notification, or app crashes. Others mention confusing billing, especially around credit usage or subscription changes, and slow customer support. Despite that, iPlum is worth it if you need a secure professional second number with advanced features. Just make sure to read the plan details carefully and test it before using it for a critical business communication. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this mobile second number. And that's it.